Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is the capital of India? A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata. Correct answer A. New Delhi. When does India celebrate Independence Day? A. January 26, B. October 2, C. August 15. Answer August 15. What is the national bird of India? A. Eagle, B. Peacock, C. Sparrow. Answer B. Peacock. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Indira Gandhi. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru.